I'm going to quickly go through how to use QuickTime Player to do a screencast. So the first thing you need to do is make sure QuickTime is on. You go up to your magnifying glass in the top right and you would search QuickTime Player, and once that shows up, click Enter. You'll notice that it is on. Let me do that again. Make sure it's on. It will show up in your toolbar up top, and you would go to File and New Screen Recording. Now mine's grayed out because I'm actually doing a screen recording right now. You can then make sure you can select the space you want. So if you want to show just your slides, like I have slides here, you can click on the top corner and drag all the way across to the bottom corner, and it would record just that space. I'm recording the full page right now so you can see that. And as you go through, you can just click on your slide. Make sure you click twice so that the slide is selected, and then you can go ahead and scroll through your slides as you talk and describe and share whatever you'd like to share. When you're done, you click the little button in the very, very top of your screen, and that is the stop button. And make sure that you then save it to your desktop so you can upload it into YouTube.